Hello learners, this is Excel with Habeeba with inspirational story that is the value of money. At the beginning of a new school year, a class teacher stands up in front of her students holding a 100 rupee note. She tells them, "Put your hands up if you want this money." Every hand in the room goes up, to which the teacher says, "I am going to give this money to someone here, but first let me do this." She takes the 100 rupee note and crumples it up in her hands before asking who still wants it. The hands stay up. The teacher then drops the 100 rupee note on the floor, stamps and grinds it into the ground and picks it back up. "How about now?" she asks again. The hands stay up. Class, I hope you see the lesson here. It did not matter what I did to this money. You still wanted it because its value stayed the same. Even with its creases and dirtiness, it's still worth 100 rupees. She continues, "It's the same with us. There will be similar times in your life when you are dropped, bruised and muddied, yet no matter what happens, you never lose your value." So let's see the moral of this story, learners. Life's hardships are inevitable and we will all be put through the ringer. That means suffer a very difficult or unpleasant experience at some point, often through no fault of our own. Don't let these challenges alter your feelings of self-worth. You will always be enough. You have something unique and special to give and offer the world. So be yourself and value yourself. Self-respect is more than anything in the life. Hope you like the story. I'll be back with another story in the next video. Until then, please do like, share, subscribe and comment below. Thanks for your attention and time. Happy learning.